All right, let's open up back here, see if I have enough room between the wall and this. And this is what I installed on the Jeep. So I got two Planet Audio 12-inch woofers. Sounds pretty solid. Sharon, are you ready to hear this amazing thing?
Boom, boom.
Okay, it's not gonna do it like that on the back.
Why
I don't
not?
think it
when
will.
This goes like this. Waiting for it.
Really? Well, I gotta turn it up a little bit more. Pretty loud, I guess. Well, here I was trying to show off with my stereo to Sharon, and I may have pushed the limits of the speakers, and now they're like, look at that. Oh, I can still smell the burn coming off the port on the box. Is so bad. So I may have blown up both of my woofers at once, trying to do that little sound show off thing. But thankfully, what do I always do after I blow up something up? There's only one way to go. Either replace it or you upgrade. So I am upgrading. That means I ordered some better woofers, which should be here in probably 2 more days, according to the tracking number. So yeah, I'm happy to install those and have some even more bass, because these ones definitely didn't cut it. So I don't recommend getting those woofers, because they're like $35 woofers. They sound great, but not if you want to sound really loud. So yeah, kind of like not really recommended. I wouldn't recommend you something that actually doesn't work. There was something else that was not in the Jeep before. You can see behind me, I finally mounted my spare tire. So we finally have the 37 mounted up here. I ended up finding this really cool bracket made by Smithy Built. It's actually very cheap. It was like $50-something and makes the 37-inch tire fit like it was meant to go there. Even the third brake light fits right by it and everything. Doesn't hit the bumper, got plenty of clearance. So we're good to go. Even the camera fits, look at that. I just have to trim the plastic right here in the corner, so I could get the plastic all the way in, but it works. So we got a spare tire, and once we open this, opens buttery smooth. We got the blown woofers. You might be wondering, why do I have tape on this? Well, the thing is that the smell of burnt coil is so bad, it was stinking up the whole Jeep. So I had to tape it up so I won't have to smell it anymore, because that smell was so intense that I had to drive with the windows down. Jeep's looking all wet and nice. I gotta detail it because tomorrow we're gonna be doing something pretty fun. Let me push this thing forward, and I gotta flip the box facing the woofers up so I can remove them. So something I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, though this is the day before the event, we're gonna be taking the Jeep and the E36 to a car show called Import Revolution. So we're gonna be heading over there, and then the plan is to, right after the event, we're also gonna take the E36 to test it out at the track and see if it still shreds with the new freshly rebuilt motor, and hopefully that tune that I have on it doesn't make the motor blow up. So let's see if it holds up. But first, let's swap this woofer. That's why I'm here. It's like 10 at night. I made it through the rain and everything, but let's swap this woofers with the new backbusters. First, let's remove the old unit and see what happened. So I've taken this guy right here. That's a very inexpensive subwoofer. I mean, they are okay, but definitely not what I need. These are like $35–40 each. They're dual 4 ohm, but definitely you can tell by the magnet size, these are obviously not 1800 watts. I didn't buy them because of what, but I thought they would probably get the job done, but I guess they did not like it. So yep, burnt woofer. We're gonna replace you with this super huge guy. Aha, so we have an AudioPipe TXX BD312. The BD3 stands for triple stack magnets, so we have a very big magnet. So this one's our actual real 1800 watts woofers, and they have a 204 ounce magnet on them, and they're dual 4 ohms. Then also very importantly, it has a 3-inch 4-layer dual voice coil, so it doesn't burn to a crisp like this one, which probably has like a inch or inch and a half voice coil. I don't know, but they're definitely very tiny. It's like not the greatest. Let's see what we got. First, we got obviously sticker and template, which I will not be using. And we gotta get this giant heavy woofer out of here. I don't need you, box. So let's see how massive this big audio pipe woofer is. What are you just turning on me? Are you giving me some light? Really? Okay, thank you. Alright. Look at the difference between a true 1800 watt woofers and a not so true 1800 watt woofer. So yeah, this is how they compare. 1800 watt, not 1800 watt. Squeaky, all damaged thing. Super beefed up competition woofer. Now let's flip these guys around and see the magnets. So yeah, look at the triple stack magnet that this thing has versus this little tiny guy right here, and even has a rubber cover. I should like try to take this off so you can actually see the magnet size. There we go. Yeah, so this one looks so tiny in comparison. Wow. But yeah, we're gonna mount this guy up and see how it sounds. Also got this nice rugged cone, so it's like all beefy. This one is all plasticky and weird. Only thing I did like about the old one was the easy connectors. On this one, you actually have to use a provided Allen key to bolt in your harnesses. So I'm gonna have to just loosen these guys up, feed the wire through, and tighten it with an Allen wrench to be able to wire up the woofer. So this is what I'm talking about, having to connect these terminals like this. You're gonna like, you have to hold a woofer without falling in the hole, and then tighten it, and then tighten it once more with the longer side to make sure it doesn't wiggle off, and then we are ready to drop this woofer in place. It's like, make sure it's facing the right way. Man, this thing is heavy. Whoa. And we just dropped this thing in. Look at a nice comparison from the new woofer, the old woofer. I kind of like this because they look really slick and nice, but this one I just like, this is like a really mean woofer right here. We're now waiting in line for registration, and behind me I got, wait, Sharon's like right over there on the back, so we're both gonna have the cars in the show. Alright, we are here. Now they're gonna see where Sharon's gonna park the Jeep. I got my E36 parked right here, and it's my first time bringing a car to an actual car show. This is sick. Where's the nitrous? There's no nitrous.
Mr. Big Boost is walking around. He's a big blogger. Where's he at? Where's he at? There he goes. Look at him. He's in the back like, that's me. So I put her on the spot. She's gonna hate me for this, right?
Oh yeah, no. Let's go selfie.
Selfie? No, let's do a selfie this one. Yo, hands up. Everyone say yeah. On the count of three. On the count of three. Oh, hold it. You're facing that one. No, you're facing that one. There we go. All right. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yo, give her a round of applause for coming up to the stage, guys. Come on.
Guys, so following the car show, we decided to come to the drift event and we're gonna test the E36. And same as before, we got Sharon driving the Jeep, having some fun with my Jeep while I was gone, huh?
You don't own a Jeep anymore.
I don't own a Jeep anymore? What are you talking about? There's no way. By the way, you look so well with the Jeep. Look, the Jeep is dark and I can't even see you either.
I agree. You lost the car.
Oh, now let's show you some drifting.
Let's do that.
Are you excited for that? Do you hear that?
Yeah.
A bunch of tires screeching everywhere.
Yep.
So I got my car parked right here next to Showman's. Now I got my drift tires here.
I don't know.
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
I don't go until 10.
Whoa.
Well, I'm gonna hand over the camera to Sharon. I'm about to go drive in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna test the car. And I trust that Sharon's gonna do the best job filming ever.
I'll get the shots for you guys. Are you ready, Big Boost?
Hell yeah. Well,
I
see,
think
you already
he's
got
ready.
my head. Look at that. There you go.
Am I
That's
doing
more
bad?
like it.
Camera lady doing bad.
For sure. Alright, we're ready. Trying to log the car. First run. You know, making sure the coolant doesn't overheat. And then I'll keep an eye on the AFRs. Everything checks out good. I'm gonna go turn it with Showman.
Here he goes. This is my first time seeing the guys drifting, Matt and Alberto.
She's wearing leather pants and she's not hot.
It's okay.
This is ridiculous. How? How are you doing this?
Where am I from?
I'm from the same place.
Okay, but you're a gringo. You've become something else. Yeah.
I adapt to my environment.
Well,
But this
I'm
environment
still.
is forever changing.
No, I'm fine with this weather. You're so sweaty.
Yeah, try getting in there in a 200-degree car with a helmet and everything, and I'm wearing long pants in this weather. There's no wind or nothing. It's hot. You look so alike.
Are you twins?
Yes, you look very alike. Wow.
Hello.
Frank. Are you guys ready to see what I actually won at the car show? I indeed won my very first prize at an auto show, and let me show you what I got. it seems I ended up winning one of the specialty prizes, and yes, as the name says, it is correct. I won the Holy Bleep Award, since I don't know if I can say it on YouTube or not, but yeah, this is my new trophy, and I have it here right by my collection of American flag style Mishimoto oil coolers. Alright guys, that's all I got for today's video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll see you guys in the next one. I actually have a bunch of videos that I need to edit, so I'm gonna be editing a couple of them today. So by the time this video is out, I am gonna be in the process of editing the next one, and I should have a few videos. I know I've been slacking a lot, but I'm also making another video where I'm explaining why the lack of videos lately. I am going through a bunch of like change of times and schedules and whatever, so I'm making everything so I'm able to have time for YouTube, time for work, time for the cars, time to rest, so I don't have these all the time. I'm making time for everything, so I'll explain you guys in one of the next videos.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya.